Welcome to VC's class. In today's class, we will discuss about human circulatory system. And in human circulatory system, what we will see today, we will discuss about valves. So, what are valves? How many valves are there? All we will discuss. So, coming to the introduction of valves, a heart valve is a one-way valve that normally allows blood to flow in only one direction through the heart. So, what is a valve? A valve is a one-way valve or a flap-like structure that allows blood to flow in only one direction through the heart. That is called as unidirectional valves. The four valves are commonly represented in a mammalian heart that determines the pathway of blood flow through the heart. The four valves. So, how many valves are commonly represented in a mammalian heart? Four valves. A heart valve opens or closes incumbent on differential blood pressure on each side. So, if you observe the opening and closing of the valve, it depends upon the differential blood pressure on each side, right or left side of the heart. So, there are four valves in the mammalian heart. So, coming to tricuspid valve and what is its location? Tricuspid valve guards the opening between the right auricle and the left right ventricle. So, where is the location of the tricuspid valve? We can see it clearly in the diagram. The tricuspid valve guards the opening between the right auricle and the right ventricle. Coming to bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve guards the opening between the left auricle and the left ventricle. So we can see it very clearly. Where is the valve? So bicuspid valve is also called as mitral valve. So for valves, what is the other name for bicuspid valve? If they ask, we can say it as mitral valve, aortic valve. Aortic valve is located at the point of origin of aorta from the left ventricle and are three in number. So if you observe, aortic valve or aortic valve is located at the point of origin of aorta from the left ventricle and are three in number. Pulmonary semilunar valve. Pulmonary semilunar valve is located at the opening of the right ventricle into the pulmonary artery and are three in number. So we can see it very clearly. Where is the location of pulmonary semilunar valve?